This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. If you use QuickBooks Payments, QuickBooks Desktop groups the customer payments you process each day, then creates a single deposit into your bank account. All you have to do is review how QuickBooks grouped and recorded the bank deposits. We'll show you how to make sure QuickBooks matches your monthly bank statements. To get started, make sure automatic matching is on, so QuickBooks will deposit and record customer payments for you. Go to Banking, then select Make Merchant Service Deposits. Select Change Your Deposit Settings. Make sure Auto Match and Record is on. If not, turn on the Auto Match and Record setting, then save. QuickBooks will now record deposits as accounts receivable and fees as expenses in your chart of accounts. When you get your bank statement, review your recorded batch deposits in QuickBooks. From Record Merchant Service Deposits, you'll see payments you need to record that weren't automatically matched by QuickBooks. Batches QuickBooks automatically matched and recorded for you. Transactions pending for your account. Review the Add Payments to Record tab. Transactions created outside QuickBooks, such as through GoPayment or Merchant Service Center, need to be recorded here. Select the batches you need to record, then select Add Payments to Record. We'll record the batch to the QuickBooks bank account. If you like, you can review the Recorded tab to compare what's on your statement with the bank deposits recorded by QuickBooks. Review the first bank deposit on the list. If you need more details, select here. This shows you each customer payment grouped in the deposit. Find the matching bank deposit on your bank statement. If the date and amounts match, check it off your bank statement. QuickBooks recorded it correctly. Compare each bank deposit on the list. If everything matches, you're good to go. Now review the Pending for Deposit tab. This is where you can see transactions pending for deposit. These are usually funded in 1 to 2 business days. You don't need to take any action here. They'll be automatically matched and recorded once the funding is completed. And that's it. Now you know how QuickBooks Desktop handles and deposits the payments you process with QuickBooks Payments.